Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to get the Goblin Boohoo Emote in a Clash Royale. Now, if you don't already have it, there's a chance you cannot get it right now because look, it may return in future events or special challenges, personal offers. What you usually need to do is check the shop first. Come to the bottom left, click on the shop, and you scroll down. So as you can see, it usually is available. Right here, you get different emotes that you can get. Now here I have the Boohoo emote. You can get it in 15 days, 5 hours. Okay, so here you can buy it using gems or real money. That is when it's available. They do a rotation, right? So you can only buy it, by the way, with the gems or real money. And sometimes you come here, you'll find them available for gems. If you scroll down. So sometimes, by the way, Supercell even offers special bundles where you buy the bundle offer, chest plus gems plus emotes, you get them there as well. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.